Yeah, 96.5. Yeah, 96.5. Yeah, 96.5.
I believe and declare the works of the Lord. You went down, go back to my city. Now I bet you before I come through a more country. Everybody here. And we should have been 96.5.
Only when you be a friend, so metie Ebusia 96.5 FM. Friend says, "See, I saw metie Yabeka, I said my beboa, ye nina." And I wouldn't be sure a year Android from Yana say phone be obey me dear Facebook be a catch on the say Umbra Facebook number share dear course live or her. Obey me about Facebook or share the AC studio in our life. Said the Nema El Coso Studiano, Esa was share said the Nema El Coso, I said the Sia Jumanefa, and then Nema Besibiano bet me on a life. And then to bet me about Facebook this year. Over Facebook, I should share Nana Obri Eboa. Nana Obri Eboa. Anna say unpredictable drive crew bet me enya live or now I share come up. Nana Obri Eboa Facebook. And Anna say unpredictable drive crew. I also bet me enya share come up. Something now bet me I share war. I the unpredictable then no ADA. Or you show Facebook at then no ADA to bet me enya or life. And then the account was and say, you deserve better. And on and that proso. More about Facebook, you know, Madame Semonko Swana Monche. Mame, if you are Yame, Meda say, what did you super? On your mission shall be. Nana Kosia Usua, Nana Kosia Usua, Meda say, also, me, why a femeda say, I'm looking good, thank, and then God bless you too. Richard K. Bim Bim. I'll say I've been blessed through your worship. God bless you. God bless you too. I could tell my Sata come and I say, me boss up her life. Hey! I will tell you about day. Collins Cover, hey, my brother. Not to say it too, catch it. Antiman Douglas, oh, share live on Facebook. But some tree Robert, one on a worry and chair cry. Yes, you deserve better. It will better than one was asking what. God bless you too. I've been up Papa B and share live on Facebook. Big D Playman or see looking classy, superstar. God bless you. Thanks so much. I've been up Papa B or see dressing beard there. And now a guy so but I say, and I didn't want to be cool. Toba Cranes, I say, "Way, welcome your crowd, Mr. Boy, no dear Bramin." But I say, Toba Damien John, I see you looking so beautiful, Mr. Boy. Coming for every day, I say, all right, thanks so much. Debia G Innocent, I say, wow, good one there. You look younger than your age. God bless you. Thanks so much. Hey, Augustine Amwa Destiny. Hey, boss, your quote be fine, oh. Please, I need it for my program view. Come for it, my brother. You can come for it. All for you. Petra Mame Efia Adowa. I'll say you are looking good. Thanks so much. And I'm a Jimmy Samba. Juliet Edwidge also always looking good. God bless you, pa. God bless you too. Doris Barnier also looking so gorgeous. Susanna Fair, I'll say, nice, handsome. God bless you. Doreen Apokuma for looking sharp. Let us say, Alex Kakwasa for Jay. I'm watching live from Amekom Kuma. Say, yes, thank you. Nana ya wasi assiduous. Nana ya assiduous says, wow, that's my boss. Indeed, you are unpredictable. Keep it up. You are my idol. Oh, really? I'm inside the UK campus. Akoto say wow, papaya. Akoto mafio, akoto na say. Nurse ni papa. Mami abna sapoma. Also hi, keep it up there. Thanks so much. Dina don't call share live. Dina, who you there? Obimpuna adaka boyfriend post a nice one. Spendy love mensa was a sweet one. Thanks so much, Spendy. How's your vacation? What shall I say? You and you are Ghana. At the side, welcome to Ghana once again. Edward Wisdom Amwa. Also, you are looking cute. Thanks so much. Solomon Coffee, good message. Richard K. Bimbim. Also, I can like your coach. Let us say. Nana ya kuredu. Also, I chop kiss. Mwah. Also, Jibia. Mwah. Also, love you. I can love you too, Nana ya kuredu. Afa mu yeni nkoma kakra moba moda montro mo for message go make nkan dia mamo moba mo fa wo make nkan mo message so dia mo kama Teresa Jane appear. Also keep it up. Good afternoon to you too. Mommy, we know Ninkomo be say you deserve better. And a dear friend, a fata wa wutie me neno. But I saw you to my dear friend and a fata wa wutie Mrs. Yano. A dear friend, a fata wa wutie me ne. You deserve better. Na me baba try the quintia, you deserve better. At the quintia and near my partner fata wa wutie Mrs. And I will show my face you see. Make the quintia, you deserve better. Chelsea here. Sure. And said you are Sia corner, I be a ho. And then a pain a come and we are Juma pa de bow be sent Kosobana Brabum. But in Faswamba, when you be and Faswamba, when you be and kind in possess, Sani Pano, Ebuama, San Kosoro, on the count of Buama, and buy it. You only probably Bromo journey. You only Bromo journey pa. I hear Juma Cassia Pandia Wani Pebi. Neso Faswamba, when you be need that. They promised them something, but in the end, they don't get anything. Want to be so much as a Nima Quia, Menuna better, and Nima Shaya, Menuna better, Sanima Sia, Menuna better, but a Sanima Quia, Sandy Pani Yasa Chadianibi, or Yam for Swanny and Kainimpo. Sandy Pani and Kainimpo and Kaino. But you bet me about Facebook, I'll share, you know what she been so about Facebook, I shall Nana Obri boy. Nana Obri boy Facebook. And I say unpredictable drive crew, bet me like a page, you know. Bet you mean so as I share our Nana Obri boy. And I say I unpredictable, so bet me I shall want them come up. And then the American told you, say you deserve better. Sir, maybe I tell you, send you every radio. One paper in Sakwa, but not the Aquarius is away radio, but one gas. And over to me, I hear something good, but one gas, you are not entitled to even enjoy it. You don't even have the chance to enjoy it. Kwame Jamfi Kumani, hey, my brother, Kwame Jamfi Kumani, hey, Black Angel, my channel to say. Share live on Facebook. Me say and any party me pressa so one win for so be free so. I can do brand kasab abana afifi aduabano kese ka wonya bidi sa aduabano du na you free. Aduabano edu aka ye twa no ka bia hwe no wo bra nyina nu asa yakwasa bre no ye ma won ka bi nhwe. Yama wunya bi nida na akoye breguo. And I am telling you that you deserve better. You deserve better. Mr. You deserve better. What bomb ye diabano? Edu bresa wu twabi na wudia. Yeso du edi bi enye. What the own fata diabano? On fata diabana say efifia mata say no ba na efe no. Would you would dip enye. Ade na ekoso yi. Ade na ekoso wi ase. Obi ba bre ni moja ni pa jana yire ne ma ho. Akwa boase. Ade bi nkoso. Ade bi ye mu nti obi betimi apaw na busua. Ade bi ye bi nti obi betimi apaw ni nuanu nyina. Because of penkoso dia masa adwuma bi se adwuma ni koso nti. Nipa bi abrabo mpagya nipa bi mpagya nti obetimi apo na busua ba na busua no bepo mo no faso bi amaso obetimi gyan na adwuma to akwa bo obi se ono na adwuma nkoso ba saa de na obenyina faso amaso because nipa no so ne bobi so se bibiri ato din a ni nya wo dare Ayumbu aso odo ejaisu Jarahudi mentie tie die nkofo beka miami die ka wakoma to yam na menu do die en odese agiso wuo efiso woni mo bra wa no wa bre na so nyame ma ne nya bia o ni nya wo da nipa ne beto sa anwumu ya kyerɛw para djuma ne be ye awie no na ne refi nwumu a what to wo echedu wa bia wutie dadi lumba nwum bia nwum bia dadi lumba mo bobo a ya Christopher to no ma na afa ye na nwum secular nwum se they are secular songs that it carries weight. It makes sense. Your secular songs bu a wutie anyansa wom and any pet me bring him what Jenny said the bow be pa in the end and only a Genesis war. Yankai, your no way. Yankai, the contribution. Yankai, your honor the bow on board. And I do the show more with the Wadian, the Sambra no what da. And I do the show no, what would the Wadian the Sambra no what da. But niponi betimi stay awake and adu betimi atia na adu de so no na wodwe adwuma ne nkoso se adwuma ne betimi apagya na munyina monya bibia di na matimi apotwe ahwe mabusuafo wo na wodi adwe ne ba na adwe ne kisa wo na wo se ya wodi anokora no wada wono na wo kwafre ne so mabu oro otimi tina na adu de so na wodwe se nkoso beba ba de be wie no ni ewe fi sa nipa kono ni ewe fi kura sa nipa na bo ma de ko ni pagyaye why do we begin tin yesa nipa ni nkaye pesa min kuminya atwe bone ni atwe fi ni de nanti wiase we don't think about brothers and sisters people toil nipa bre eso fa so bi amaso ade nti na sa ne ma ne koso Pacho wo hwe mo Facebook na wa share wo na amanfo atie bi na amanfo ahwe bi. Mo share wo Facebook. Me amenya Patrick Ba o hwe me live on Facebook. Patrick Ba o international kasia pa. Bro. Adienti na nipa eni nkayesa. Why do we easily forget our brothers and sisters when we started everything with them? We must finish with them. Do we finish with people that we start everything with them? And then Bema betimini oba anantesa obenya baby asi obeka cho oba ne say meet me class na me wo sisi ano no baby a medru no me ne akasefo na nanti no and to go on shadam ko school set we no na ntenye ye and na bema betimi ahwe oba sa ma na ko school oba ne be wie school no se bema na nye the level people don't have conscience people don't have conscience but I me can't show say adie bia ye bia da yanim we must remember where we started everything from. We must remember the people that we started everything with. Ha, obi on one na madwuma mu ho. Onya hwe oba ne contribution ba akopɛ it saves the job. Obi wa adwuma mu a modwe amfa adwe mu but empire oba body tie adwuma na chi no. Wano ne empire timi save say ni adwuma ne nyina. Ebedru be wo say adwuma na ekɔ fam sa wonte ase say ni pa na gya adwuma ne kɔ. Wo de ye awokɔ. What the young judge man call? You don't know, so when you have a sum from a Tinipan Dwyer and so no, and Yamishopa and Yamsuni. It's one of them pipe judgment. One the thing, right people, we don't even think about them. We start to weigh the people, say, when home first one the same. Near Sasha, near way, almost say, we're crying home first one the same. When for so many in your free no so. Me a chance any way or more. And the engineers are why do we do that? We easily forget people. Yenin kaya. And today be intimate quiet him yenin kaya. I can put in a ema. Samra make us say Obi on my diffo or to come out with Yaman can drive an year free because as some na cano what prim na kuma so no do anya papa we said that it's a driver na dia to na o tie nsempana be sesa na bra bono kwana. He doesn't want to listen to this because he feels that at the end of the way, oh God. What be adwuma untua to so uangasa asori awokọ no untua to so dudu. Asori awokọ no untua to so dudu. Adwuma ya fonso ba ya adwuma so untua mo kaye. Bibia nyama wonadi. Saska no so nya won gas ne kwadi. Won gas ne kwadi. Won gas ne kwa hotels na mu call day some with this kind of sana. But the people are omo baba tena se ma adwuma no koso no omo mo ska ne pindi. Then you feel that the nyamba chira. One day when everything then begin to scatter. Then they begin to scatter. You must learn to, cherish people in your life. Learn to cherish people in your life. Learn to cherish people in your life. Me say, wa ni pe bia wa bra bombia. Me ma me ni omo adwuma mu a. Me ni omo kasa. Me come patcho because me ni obia contribution. At the end of the day, no. As a programs manager, so be a program wa hanu mase bibia kwa wia. Me na me kwaje glory na me boa. Me kwaje glory no. So your coach na so coach team a. Na se team ni wini a. Se coach na keka nsia ni anka team ni betimi awini. Enti se ese wo kan so bia o ye program bia na so bia come to team ni bia no. Or contribute until you must give them the necessary respect. Respect people. Respect people. Kai baby aufre. Kai do nyame ayama. Die ni pa ne ba abrabo mu die wa ye kai. Kai do nyame ayama. So anfa ni pa na mu abrabo mu anka wa ya boa bi awie. Se ni pa na aka ni pa na mu abrabo mu a. Naka friendly prank because Ubakasa, you don't deserve to be on that platform. You don't deserve to be in that family. You don't deserve to be in that church. Wa sorry awuti no check we. Hwebua osofo no wode mani pa bi. Wa sorry awuti mu kra no. Osofo no bu bi chebi. Osofo ni buni pa bi chebi. Utimusa wona osore na papa pra dem opa but so for begina papa to so na so dani pa mabo ma so ne konkan a obo asika fo nko adin wo ma udin sanko ma besiesie wono ma anka bi ba benya yare afia sore dem o but wo so for bonkofo di o ma udin da Bebia ye refio asof asori dem nyina ye refio ho ye refi nipa ye ne omo sha brase. Yes, you are right, my brother Patrick Bassett. This is called discrimination. And you sheni penim, sheni penim na afia mana na konya. I remember in 2004, me kwasra asori bi kwasra wo. Na me kwatena asori dem wo na no. Ana me hu se asabi ko ka kire sofo panyin ni se Ike na ba betena kire holu. Ani sima na sofo na soma se ye mefre Ike no mra metena eye esoro ho bi. Then I asked myself, I said, one more tear so dem wo nyina na anya kwanya timi afro soro mpo ni sofo ko kasapen. Obi akwa soro wo be 10 years. But your man na kwenya manifrio afro property ni sumpo enkwati asofo nsemu da ba mema ba sorry one day pe ya fra me se me mefro na metena wo me ye hwan who am I me ye hwan me ye nipa bantia me ye nipa chen asori man na omo no se chinchina asem betena so. And I told the sofo no say I want to remain in my seat. Efrese me kwani e be yi ma kire des ma ba besra mo de ba madwi mu no na bibi akasa kire me say I shouldn't go. Because there are people that are munya shakwenya ni mponti ni mfrosro nkwachi asofo da because ebi an dressing yet. Na dressing nye no. Or other na what the one city baba two offering board man can just say we dressing into sika so menye. We easily forget people that we start life with. We easily forget people that we start life with. And that's how we should be free as some media shaman on the seminar country. Bibia, you will never lack anything in the world if you choose to recognize people that you start life with. When you are opening a new page, put it in your mind that you will not forget anyone and everyone who contributed to your life. If you have the chance to open a new page today, let your page contain people that you start life with. Let the page contain people that you always and will always cherish. People that matter. People that matter. So we betia again. So it is your own coin. But so tia kebebo nyina. You are hitting the nail right, Ike. Oh, Ike, this message makes me cry. My husband and I, we helped someone to build his house and promised us he will help us. But in the end, he paid us with evil. Doris Banier. Oh, yeah, man, don't. Mama can be here. So, being so ayubonia, man can be here when I braba swate. Move on. I don't know maybe shall because if you start to say things on their life and then put curses on their lives, what they are not meant to my so and also come back to haunt you. A block near maybe Jaimania me what Joyce Nasari, oh share live on Facebook. Solomon the Blessing tell us, hit back again, bro. By the way, you look fantastic. Thanks so much, Solomon. Address of work and tanker. Oh, you have really touched my soul. It's true, I deserve more than this. Boss, you do all. Love you, Ike. Love you too. I'm Waku Roxon. I say, God bless you, Ike. True talk. I'm Waku Roxon. I say, Person Ike. Excellent Francis. I say, hi, bro. You said it all. Collins Coleman, my brother. I say, you said the truth. Bro, Ike, where did you get your message from? You are too much. Onyame ene de chome dibia. If you are a motivational speaker, say one mom pie onyame mi wa twima wonya bibi nka de bia da. Ba say wo be onyame a on lack message da. Me de ba be si dwumade ne ba be si na emu mpacho me pon ye me pon no nsia. mube ewia be humu nyum pa ba bia obi e be bon nyuma mo finipa na maka wo say di dwumadie bi nso be sa to aso dwumadie ba so bena da bia ne fe ne boneka enti ye de boneka be to aso enti boneka ne to aso a wani beje pa say wo betie boneka because yenwanim bia dia to so ma ye bone ene wo be se bone fa che fo nyankopon na utie wo na wo ka wo bone o ma ya na utie se wo fa bibia frim no asatra fi wo bone mu because onyame na oho ne se wo pɛ mu ka wo bone oye no kwafo so obeje wo na wate wa firi niam anya nyina ho na wapepa ho ayo foforo kwa wa abrabom ne firi kwa abrabom be so kokora and it's moment cause bone catch we dey be so no num pepe 5 p.m. ya bone kai ba so ni pa be pɛ mu akomo bone o maye wasase so na tie na fa bitu wo fo sa wo so yo bia wo so di bone pa na person na ye cha wo so number betumi afrani 0244 049 848 0244 049 848 0244 049 848 kai baby a wo shase achira onyame aduma ya be sha di kurentia you deserve better but you don't get it achira onyame aduma ya be sha di kurentia wa waje atum so you deserve better na so wunya we will think about it we will talk about it. Angel Adum from Paul, I like your message. Mary A, I have learned a lot from you. Sure. Message Echina Onyame Aduma. Yabeka Adukwentia, you deserve better, but you don't get it. God bless you.
Everywhere I go, you are there. Why you love me so, Papa? Why you love me so, Papa? Why you think about me, Papa? Why you care for me, and if I can do anything, so I love. And if I'm blessed for your love, and if I'm
now say I want for request so I saw more per message no. People want a recorded version of it. You be compiling in a be say more paying in a Ramon Shaka messages in now. Now, if you have a link, I'm between your session or your YouTube, so it's a more work. I'm going to put audio version of our messages in Nano. You better compiling because request be grabber, teacher about you for the animal tape, maybe. Not time be a million be on what it is. It's about compiling in near the Mamu. Now, if you have some link, I'm between your channel YouTube. But Facebook could the time be alcohol bet me up any time be recorded ones be on my wall. Oko Nana Ubri Bobian in our show. Oko unpredictable drive to Abinian in our show, or like a page now. When you now bring your share. Now, but I'm more cool rocks and yes, what we shall say apps now. Yeah, apps I'll call a year. Play Store bet me download the apps now. Now, I phone your app now, if you watch me. What you mean? I link and direct you as not to me a TBB come out. And you don't worry about that. We'll give you an app. But before that, you bet me at so www.ebusiafmonline.com. So bet me as at you also. More the requested, but don't worry, we'll do all these things for you. One thing yet here. And then person be na so no tie boneka ne bi nne boneka e free 5 o'clock okono tie nipa mo nu mo ka mo bone tie ona bo so bone na we na ketua bi ese utimi se bone fa chefo nyankopon no nyame de bone che na to abra bone so eti wa nu hu nne e na onyame yake wakoma se pa mu ka bone no na de ma ne ye won no se Se boneka no ba so a boneka no ye ma wo mawudin ye ma wo nka ba bia wo frefri ena ya so ye wo ha no yetimi esesa of voice na obi ntimi identify se wo na wo kasa no enti you get the courage to talk abra won suro ni bia enti o ba no rest assured say asesa of voice obi ntimi identify wo wudi yusu ye ma wo mo ba bia wo frefri ye ma wo mo se wo kasa enkuro ni ade ade obeka amanfo adweba so ye ma wo nka nkuro ni nyina oh obeka se kuro bi ni sa ne ma no se bia ni pentumi identify so that unsa boni bitimi sha so na upo bi aka che no se na wonya and sa boni no so se wo pam na kan so a it goes and goes forever and mabiem ade bu apam wo do no pam na kan akwa mabiem enti ebema sa akwanya no program wo ho a ya ye ni mfie bebre na abo nipa bebre ene beba so ye friend boneka mo pese mutie no online so ya mo nko www.abusuafmonline.com na so ko tune na ubetimi anya abusuafm na watie boneka ni ye pa le sua bibi film se wo so na onyame yakon akoma se pamu kan bone na wonjewa number be friend 0344 049 848 0344 049 848 0344 049 848 Oh, Julieta Dejanfi, Aniana there be a Thursdays in your deba. Don't worry, Aniana there be a Thursdays. It's yet in Yami had my Thursday be Aniana there be or why. I want for Busa question. Come up with your questions. Ask more questions and I'll tell you. If you really want to know about our program, your programs be so what Busa Mechanic Natural.
Yes, you died for me. You washed away all my sins. You picked me up and you gave me strength. You exalt my own. Why you love me so? Why you love me so? I can explain why you love me so. Baba.
Rosemary Appianti at the same. Rosemary Appianti, my loveliness, my ordinariness, but you're my child at the same.
Turn on your radio, listen to the special one. Turn on.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that for you. Yeah,
listen to
I'll do that for you.
Ike, the special one. Yeah. Kumasi.
God bless you all. Keep listening. We are coming up with a bonus in no time. We'll be on. So you can still log on to www.abusuafmonline.com and get all the programs every time.
DJ Fish, DJ Satan.
I'm walking around to you asking about WhatsApp group available. Okay. I'm walking to say Monya WhatsApp group now. Obi Otie Ebusha Drive nyina information. Yeah, WhatsApp group on them drop from numbers and if you add you then we start sharing ideas and all those stuff. Yeah, why to be so one more pair WhatsApp group nyina mpacho. Yeah, be am why? Yeah, be am Okay. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Hey, Nira. Oh, I didn't say. And now what if you check out whether you watch them?
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Na wa mo sa na me ti sa papa bi o wanu.
Okay. Okay. God bless you all. God bless you. Mwah.